What's up, guys, and welcome to a breakdown here. Sometimes people look at a plain chart and they get confused. I just want to point out a few things that you could do to help you. This is GBP JPY. You can put it on any time frame you want. Now, what you want to do start off with is to go on the daily time frame. Right, this might help you identify some of the levels here that price might be reacting to. As you can see here, we've had a gap in the market on Monday. What that means, market's closed here and opened up here. Let's have a look to see what we've got. You want to round numbers down ideally, but obviously key levels are personal preference. Everyone's got a different view, and obviously that's what makes it interesting. The more sort of out there they are, then the more that you can kind of capitalize on it. So, for example, if we put three levels in amongst this price action here, all right. So then what you want to do is go down to maybe a session time frame or a 4 hour time frame here. As you can see here, market is technically trending to the upside. You could class that as a mini lower high, and again here, all right. So what are we waiting for on the 4 hour time frame? There's a mini channel as well here. It's not going to be very clear, but there it is there. All right. Now, technically here we've broken out of this channel. All right. So you would have, if you were replaying this, if this was live, you'd obviously have this channel marked out. You'd be waiting for a breakout, obviously either way. We've obviously had this breakout here. That's when I'd probably go down to maybe an hourly time frame here, and I'd look at the time of entry. So this is a London Open here. So this is a very, very good sign. So London tends to do a bit of a fake out, which is obviously this move here. And then obviously you get this capitalizing move. So what you would do is obviously wait for this candle to close. Now, there would be two potential entries. If you wanted to, you could mark this up. And you could obviously wait. You could either enter straight away, stops just above, as you could see here. And you could have probably about a 1 to 2. Something like this. So 1 to 2, there we go. That'll be obviously one of your entries here. You know, it's quite big, got 180 pips, 90 pip stop loss. Or what you could do is obviously you mark this level out here, and you could say to yourself, right, you know what? I'm going to enter off a retest of here. So you could even go down to a smaller time frame, like a 5 minute time frame. You can see a massive rejection here out of this area, so you might want to enter here, stops slightly above, and again you could have a 1 to 2. I'd probably be taking it down to this key level here on both of them. Obviously these trades wouldn't have hit, but both of these trades would be in profit, as you can see here. So that's just a very, very simple way of obviously breaking down a chart and obviously trying to understand, you know, how to make things a lot cleaner, because obviously when it looks like this, it's, you know, it's a little bit confusing as to when to enter, how to enter. However, when you actually mark it all up and break it all down using sufficient time frames, it's very, very easy. And obviously this is the kind of results that you get. And this is obviously what we do on a daily basis.